Hey, what's up guys? This is Blake here again. Today I've got couple small things I'm doing to my 2016 STI. So what I'm doing is let me flip this around here. So I've got a Racing a Chico shift knob. I've got a little e-brake button, a little carbon fiber overlay that goes on the bottom of the steering wheel, and I also have I guess it's an extension for the armrest, so I'm going to be installing those today. It's just going to be a quick video. Alright, so first thing is the shift knob. It's pretty easy, just unscrews. Relatively simple. Alright, so there's that. And then this shift knob, it has a bigger thread than the actual stock one. I'll show you here. See, this one is a lot smaller, so it comes with a little adapter right here. So this will thread onto here, and then I'll adjust it from there with where I want the shift knob to be. Alright, so it's all installed. That was super easy. Literally just thread the two little nuts that you saw before and then just screw it on. Easy. This thing is super heavy. I mean, it just goes into gear so easily. And then biggest thing is just to make sure that the reverse lockout still works, and obviously it does. So next I need to remove the stock e-brake button right here, which I'm going to be using these vice grips and just grabbing on it and trying my best not to scratch up this leather on the outside here. Alright, so I finally got it where I can unscrew it with my fingers, which was kind of a pain actually. And obviously I don't plan on reusing this fake chrome piece, so it's all types of messed up, but that's okay. So you remove that and you can see they have like a Loctite or something in there, if it'll focus. Yeah, so the first break is hard, and then you kind of have to use the wrench the whole way, which was kind of a pain, but got it off. So now it's time. I'm gonna leave, if you can see, right, see if it will focus, there we go. So right inside of there is a spring. That's what makes it, when you press it, it'll pop it out, so it'll stay locked. And I'm leaving that obviously because it's not a drift car. I'm not trying to rip the e-brake around and break my car. So I'll get to that now. Okay, so it's all on. It works and holds the car, which is good. So there's the first two parts. So next up is this carbon fiber overlay, which goes literally right there. It's just got double-sided tape on the back. Pretty simple. First off, just got my rag. I'm just gonna wipe it down everywhere to make sure everything sticks the best, and no like fingerprints or oils or anything that'll make it not stick. And then you just remove the 3M tape and stick it on. Simple as that. Okay, so there it is. Not amazing fitment, and I honked the horn on accident there, but I didn't realize you had to tuck it underneath the little horn part there, which obviously I did. So it's not like perfect, like it's good on this side right here, if you can tell, kind of sticks out a little tiny bit, but that's whatever. So there we are. Kind of completes the whole look of the steering wheel. Matches with this one is the same color as that, red. So alright, so now for the install of the extended center console, you just want to pop this part off right here, I believe. Alright, so there's just one screw right in the center here. that's off. So now this thing should come off, I believe. Oh wait, no, there's two more screws right there I need to take off. I actually misspoke. There are actually 3 screws right under here that you have to remove this top piece. And this top piece is going to go on top of this, so then it will raise it up about a little over an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Alright, so there we are. So that is all off. Now, just bolts on right there. Alright, so this piece that came with it that I was not sure where it went, it goes on just right here and then screws in those 2 holes right there. There's one right there, other one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So if you look up close, if it'll focus. Okay, so there's 2 little tabs right here that you have to line it up with, and then 3 screws the same way as it was before. Okay, so there you are. It's a little bit taller, not the sturdiest thing in the world, but now I have this cubby and I have the stock cubby, so that's nice. And it's a little bit more comfortable for your arm when you're in between shifts. So there we go. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this short little install video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks. Peace out, guys.